Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial, which is a Valentine's look. I feel like I should get this up early because I'm usually late or 2 days before the actual day. So I'm going to do a lovely makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave me a comment in the drop section below. I am uploading videos twice a week, Tuesday and Fridays, generally around those days. If not, it'll be Monday, Friday. Either way, you'll see 2 videos from me twice a week, which is excellent. So let's just jump into the tutorial. This is also all drugstore. No high-end makeup. I had to put some away because I was like, oh no, I want this to be all drugstore. So it's very affordable. Let's just get into the video. I'm going to do a voiceover on my eyes just because I really want to concentrate on the look and just get it perfect. And then I'll come back and talk to you all about my face base and how I went with the eye. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so we're taking two ChiChi palettes today. They're So Gorgeous and the Goddess palette. First up, I'm taking this So Gorgeous just to get a nice transition color, and I'm just going to get a nice sort of neutral brown down before I move on to the Goddess palette, in which colors I'm taking this brown color, like brown orange I'd say, and popping that in my crease as well, and then I'm just going to slowly blend it out. I'm not lying when I said this eye makeup look takes a lot of blending. I'm then still in the Goddess palette and taking this sort of pinky shade, it's sort of an off pink, and popping that on the outer third of the eye, packing it, and then I will be blending it out. This is a long process. I have edited quite a bit, but it's just packing, blending, packing and blending. In saying that though, these eyeshadow palettes are very pigmented, so I was quite lucky. I'm then taking this sort of purpley color, pinky purple, and popping that on top of everything I've just done, which sort of seems like a bit of a waste, and then blending it out. Once again, blend, 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 place, blend. I'm going to be cutting my crease with the Maybelline New York. I'm just doing a half crease, just because I didn't want to do a full crease, because I want a nice foiled eyeshadow to just go on top of it. I'm then taking this color, oh god, I'm useless at trying to describe colors at the moment, this foiled eyeshadow, and just packing it on. I will say it was really hard, this part, because I haven't done a cut crease in ages, so I forgot what I need to do next, but it turned out in the end I just packed on colors instead of wiping them on. I went into the Aphrodite palette because I still wasn't happy with that outer corner. I just wanted it to be darker, but I didn't want to make it too dark without adding too much black. And then I'm just wiping off the excess. Yeah, that line's beautiful. With a makeup wipe. You'll see that I wasn't too happy with it later on because I just try and fix it up. Moving on to the face, I'm taking the Lumi Magique primer. I tried to go for a nice sort of dewy sort of look today, even though I went for a matte foundation, but anyway, we will skip past that. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline FitMe in 220 as my foundation, and I've been lately applying my foundation with a foundation brush, that's so much foundation, and then blending it out with a beauty blender just to push it into my skin, because I feel like, yeah, it's on my lip, I feel like it just works a little bit better to get the coverage and it's not so caked on. I'm then taking the same concealer, the Maybelline one, under my eyes just to brighten up everything and clean up whatever fell down onto my skin, even though I should have done that with the primer, but anyway, just doing that. And using my beauty blender, which I've fallen back in love again with. Such a pause there. Taking the Model's Own to bake underneath my under eye, and I've missed baking. I've just like fallen back into my makeup love again. This voiceover is so weird, I'm so sorry guys. I'm taking the Australis Fresh and Flawless, mine is beat. Still, I have not chucked it out. I've got a spare one there. Wiping off the bake under my eyes, and yeah, the base is pretty much set now, which is really good. The only thing that takes the longest with this is the eyes. So yeah, everything else seems pretty quick. So I'm taking that burnt orange shade mixed with that purpley shade as my under eye concealer. What? No. My under eye eyeshadow, and just blending it out, placing it and blending it, just because I didn't want it to be so harsh, and I was going for a really ultra sort of smoky look, as you could tell from the thumbnail. I'm then taking this pinky champagne color as my inner corner highlight. I didn't want anything too popping because, yeah, I didn't want to steal away the eyes. I'm taking my Bahamama powder to contour, and then I'm going in with my Maybelline Dream Sun to bronze up my face. For blush, I'm just taking this True Blend by Covergirl, a nice pinky shade, and just popping that on the apples of my cheeks. Just because I just can't not go without blush. I cannot go without blush. Going on with my ChiChi Celestial Glow, this is the number 1, and I'm pretty sure I took Venus, and just applying that to the highest points of my face, mainly my cheekbones, nose, and the top of my lip. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized. To set my face, I'm just using the Model's Own setting spray. I'm really loving this at the moment. It's different. Taking the NYX Natural Lip Liner to line my lips, of course, and I'll be using a lipstick and a lip gloss to finish it off. So yeah, it's a pretty sort of simple look. I just really wanted to focus on the eyes. So the Burts Bees 501, I'm pretty sure this is Nearly Nude, or blush, I'm not too sure. I'm just applying that to my lips, and then I'm following up with a Rimmel lip gloss. I hope you enjoyed this little voiceover part. I'm sorry it is a voiceover, but just bear with me because I really liked the look. So yeah, applying my lip gloss and we are done. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I'm sorry that the whole thing was actually a voiceover. I was really in the zone of listening to my music, and I was like, yep, I just want to do a voiceover for this video because I just want to listen to some music. So, I really liked how this turned out. The eyes are just like popping. But the only problem I had with this whole look was the eyelashes, the false ones. They took me forever to get on, and I don't even think 2 of them are on. Well, I only have 2 sets of eyes. I don't think these inner corners are sitting right, which is quite annoying, but anyway, I hope it didn't annoy you too much for the video. I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you aren't already subscribed to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.